Ever wondered why the Bible talks so much about trees, seeds, and leaves? Turns out, every plant has a story to tell. In the Bible, plants aren't just scenery. They're symbols, packed with deep messages about faith, hope, and even warning. Let's start small with the mustard seed. In Matthew 13, Jesus says it's the tiniest seed, but it grows into a mighty tree. That's faith in action. Start small, believe big, and watch your life grow. Now, the fig tree. From Adam and Eve's first clothes to Jesus cursing a barren fig tree in Mark 11, it's a plant that shows both shame and spiritual lessons. When fruitful, it stands for peace and plenty, but without fruit it warns us about spiritual emptiness and hypocrisy. Next up, the olive tree. More than just a source of oil, it's a symbol of peace, endurance, and unity. In Romans 11, Paul talks about believers being grafted into God's holy tree, reminding us we're all part of a bigger family. Its oil-anointed kings and its branches brought nations together, and don't miss the hyssop. In Exodus, it's used to mark doorways with the blood of the Lamb, then in John 19 it touches Jesus' lips at the cross. Hyssop ties together themes of sacrifice, cleansing, and new beginnings. So next time you read the Bible, look for the plants hiding in plain sight. They're living parables about faith, growth, judgment, and healing. A secret garden of God's wisdom. Want more hidden Bible facts? Subscribe and join us at Learn Facts Hub.